Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be making this super cool origami tweezer model. And let's get started with the video.
Project, you'll need one 6-inch square of origami. First, fold it in this way, half like this. You're gonna crease really well. Then fold this way. Open it back up. They're gonna have this X here. Now you're just gonna make these creases really good. Now you're just going to fold this over like this. So it's like that. Then you're going to fold this corner down on the crease. Like that. Then you're just going to open it up. You're just going to fold in right here, and you want to make a triangle with no white showing, like this. Do the same thing with the other side. You're just going to fold like this. Crease well. Fold on this crease. Open it up, fold these in, fold down. Now you've got two of these. So it's going to be like this. Take one of them, you're just going to open one, and you're just going to fold this on this crease right here till it makes this triangle shape, like this, and you're just going to keep going to fold it here, and I'm just going to keep sticking it in. And you're going to crease the edge. So it'll be like this. Okay, I'll do it again for you. You're going to open this up. Just going to stick it in right here. And you're going to close right here. And crease the edges. Now you've got this. Then you're just going to fold these right up like this. Then you're just going to fold it that way and close. Same thing with the other side. Close. Now you got this. Now take one, fold it that way, close it here. You're just going to open this pocket, stick your finger in, just going to pinch like this, flip it over. You're going to get a right position. Right here is good. And then you're just going to fold it up like that. And fold it right here. That's one. Then you're just going to fold it to the side right here. Or just open it up and leave it down like this. Do the same thing with the other one. And then you're going to fold this up like this, and you're going to crease, and crease right here sharply, fold and pinch it down, and you're done. To use the tweezers, you're going to take 4 fingers like this, just going to grip on these 4 sides, and you're just going to take top 2 and bottom 2, and you're going to pull them away from each other.
Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on those post notifications so you never miss one of our latest videos, and we'll see you all next time.